All right, we're at the 2018 Detroit Autorama. I've got Sal Iannotta with me with Iannotta Hot Rods. And Sal, this is a beautiful 47 Cadillac. I mean, this thing is pristine. It's got like a timeless look to it. Tell us a little bit about what you've done to it.
Well, start out, we welded the quarters on, and we welded the skirts as well. Molded in a little running board to connect everything together. It's got a 454 with a Weiand 177 supercharger. Stuck the front bumpers in. Naturally, it's on air ride, 4-link suspension. Got rid of the rear bumper, made a roll pan for it. The paint is a root beer, so got a nice root beer color.
I'll say that paint's just so deep. You can really see it when the light hits it. It's just got some beautiful metal flake in it.
You want to keep looking, you know, get like a new angle and keep looking. Inside's nice, simple, and clean. The pin and the steering wheel actually came from the Cadillac dealership in our town.
Oh, wow.
So it was a pin that you wore on your shirt, but it's the original 47 emblem, so that was kind of neat. Yeah.
That's very cool. I mean, that interior is just beyond Cadillac. Yeah. I mean, that is plush.
Big couches, man.
Absolutely. You know? And all that stuff, you know, you have to protect with weather stripping, and that's what protects all that work inside of there.
Yeah, absolutely. You guys hooked it up, man. Everything you guys got worked out very well, and you had every piece of rubber for the car, which is crazy because you can't find any parts for this. You know, I mean, they're scarce.
Right.
And you guys got all the rubber, so.
Yep, all the parts that we have are made for this car, from this car, and we're always glad to hear the stories of when it comes together right.
No, fantastic.
Well, we really appreciate it.
Yeah, man. I appreciate it. Thank you.
You.